Hello everyone, welcome back to the French desk. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to discuss part 2 of our lesson 3. In the previous video, we learned about the conjugation of ER verbs. I hope you've understood it. Moving on, let's read this dialogue given here. J'aime la couleur bleue. J'aime la couleur rouge. This guy here says, I like the color blue. This girl says, j'aime la couleur rouge. In the previous video again, I told you about this rule of removing E when the pronom sujet ends in a vowel and the verb also starts with a vowel. We remove the E and add an apostrophe here, so this becomes j'aime. Okay? Je porte une chemise bleue. Je porte une jupe rouge. I wear a blue shirt. I wear a red shirt. Now what I want you to focus on is the placement of the color. Adjective. The adjective of colors are placed after the noun. You should remember this, okay? This guy says blue shirt and this girl says red skirt. Now the second category of verbs is IR ending verbs. In order to conjugate the second group of verbs, we follow the following steps. Again, we remove R from the end of the verb to form the radical, to which we add the following endings: S, S, T, double S, ONS, double S, EZ, double S, ENT. This is how you'll conjugate IR category verbs. Finir, which means to finish. This becomes je finis, tu finis, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, elles finissent. Another verb, choisir, which means to choose. Je choisis, tu choisis, elle choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, elles choisissent. Je finis mes devoirs aujourd'hui. I finish my homework today. Je choisis une jupe rouge. I choose a red skirt. Here's a list of some IR ending verbs, again, which you should learn and remember and practice conjugating a few of them. Grandir means to grow. Grossir means to gain weight. Rougir means to blush. Réussir means to succeed. Applaudir means to applaud. Réfléchir means to think. Jaunir to turn yellow. Punir to punish. Obéir to obey. Remplir to fill. Réunir to reunite. Saisir to seize. Envahir to invade. Accomplir to accomplish. Bâtir to build. Vieillir to grow old. Now we are going to learn the French translations of some clothes. Les vêtements. Une chemise. Now what I want you to do is learn the French translation of the clothes and also keep in mind their feminine and masculine forms. So une chemise is a shirt. A t-shirt is a t-shirt. A pantalon is a trouser or a pant. Des chaussettes, socks. Des gants, gloves. Une écharpe, a scarf. Un gilet, a vest. Une robe, a dress. Une jupe, a skirt. Un manteau, a coat. Le vocabulaire: avec, with, d'abord, firstly, pour, for a gilet, cardigan, a manteau, coat, a pantalon, trousers or pants, a t-shirt is a t-shirt, une chemise is a shirt, une cravate is a tie, une écharpe is a scarf, une jupe, skirt, une robe, dress, des chaussettes, socks, des gants, gloves, le travail, work, les vêtements, clothes. So that is all about part 2 of lesson 3. I hope you understood the conjugations of ER and IR. You should practice conjugating them again, because I'm very sure that you're going to get a question in your exam on conjugation, and it is very important. So you try doing it again, and also you should now talk in French with your peers and friends. Now that you've learned conjugation, you've learned so many nouns and adjectives, you should try framing sentences and talk to your friends in French so that you can also have good communication. Okay, so that is all about this part of the lesson. We'll do the exercises in the next video. I hope you're enjoying learning French with me, and if you are learning nicely, and I hope you continue your journey with me. And it fills my heart with so much gratitude and warmth when I get comments from students saying that they've gotten so many marks in their exams with the help of my videos. So thank you so much. Keep commenting, and it makes me so happy, and it motivates me to keep creating videos for you, and also it helps me to keep in touch with the language. So thank you so much for your support, and I like that you like my videos. I'll keep doing it for you. So thank you for watching the French test. Happy learning.